How to adjust Redmi Note 11 sound. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make changes in the sound. First of all, open settings. Now here in the settings interface, slowly scroll down until you find the option called sound and vibration. Tap on sound and vibration. So this is the section where you can make changes in the sound. Here mainly you can adjust three volumes of media, ringtone and alarm. So you can customize it and increase and decrease it however you like. Here if you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to see other options like silent mode and do not disturb modes. Here if you scroll down, you'll be able to see other options like vibrate and haptic feedbacks. You can turn them on to have a more feeling of sound and vibration. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.